back to another episode of Tech Unboxing. Today in this video we're gonna unbox Lenovo Tab. Without any delay, let's begin. Interesting stuff. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell. Without any delay, let's begin. Today in this video I'm gonna introduce a person and my friend Rao. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Today he will be one of our part of the video. I got this new Lenovo Full HD tab. Yeah, you can see it has Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core 450 processor, 5MP plus 8MP camera and 7000 mAh battery. It's a really cool feature between the other tabs. It has two Wi-Fi ranging dual bands. It can connect dual bands at the same time. And I got this at the price of 27,000. It's 25.5 centimeter screen, and you can see other features.
Let's unbox the tab. Let's open the box. What a cool tab. Let's see what's inside the box. There is a charging cable and some paperwork. There is a charging adapter.
Let's check the tab. The tab body is made of plastic, and you can see here 8MP camera and 5MP front facing camera. You can see 5.3 inch screen, and you can see here power button and volume up and down button. And you can see the special feature of this tab. You can see here Dolby surround speaker system placed above the speaker. You can see here aux pin, micro USB charging cable, microphone, and here SIM and micro SD slot. You can see how slim the tab is. It's really a good. Let's turn on the tab. Yeah, you can see the colorful lock screen. Yeah, you can see 5.6 inch screen, nice pure display. I'll show you some different wallpapers. You can check the display clarity. You can see how the pixels of the flower are displayed. You can see many more. Anindra, do you really like this tab?
Yes, I really like this tab.
For more interesting stuff, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Don't forget to hit the bell button
to get more notifications from our channel. That's all for the day. Let's meet tomorrow in another great episode.